You need to drive growth through your sales team, but you know you need something more than what's currently in place. You may see hesitance among your team to reach out to new prospects or reach up through an existing organization to senior executives. Your team may feel it's risky to step out of their comfort zone of what they've been doing in the past. Your sales team may have new opportunities that seem promising, but fail to accelerate, and the opportunities end up dying on the vine. We want to help you answer the question in your organization about why some opportunities do not move forward. We want to help you respond with skills and behavior changes that will make a difference in your ability to win. Think about what a shorter path to winning would do for your performance. We think about this a lot, and we help clients do this all the time. We help them ensure each interaction with their prospects and customers is purposeful and deliberate. So, how do we do it? We know through our research that top-performing sales organizations make it a priority to understand their customers. Understanding customers should be a natural part of each interaction. Every meeting is an opportunity to better understand the customer's needs and any changes so solutions can be connected to solve their business needs. Planning a clear path forward for each opportunity eliminates wasted meetings. When there isn't value for the person sitting across the table from you or on the other end of the phone, they won't likely agree to another meeting. This path must be clear, and most importantly, this path is aligned with where the customer is in their buying process. When the buying and selling processes are misaligned, it's like planning a wedding on the first date or breaking ground on a new building without a blueprint. You can't jump ahead and expect a good outcome. Moving through this process with the client requires specific actions at each step. What action am I going to take, and what action is the customer going to take? What is the best possible outcome I can expect at this point in the sales process? What is the absolute minimum I can accept? If the customer isn't willing to share information or schedule a next meeting, it could be misalignment because the customer's situation has changed, or there isn't a clear reason for why they should invest their time to meet again. Salespeople need to be able to articulate value every time they want to meet with a customer. Alignment creates acceleration in the sales process. Alignment guides how your sales team creates and manages opportunities, how sales management provides coaching, and how leadership can review opportunity status with confidence in the predictability of the information. Miller Heiman approaches each customer engagement by using a consistent methodology, but the end result will be uniquely yours. We've conducted more than 15,000 client engagements in our history, resulting in more than 1.5 million alumni worldwide. The connection to desired results becomes key to the plan we designed together that will change the behaviors to most effectively improve performance. We work with your team to understand your organization and your current best practices that should carry forward. We tailor the approach to best suit your team. We work together on the design of the solution, then talk about the reinforcement plan. Ultimately, we use this blueprint to design the right experience, timing, tools, and management approach. To prepare for implementation, we'll discuss a communication plan about why your salespeople are going on this journey, the role of sales managers, and the cadence of what you're going to do to get maximum impact. During the workshop, all participants work on active, high-value opportunities, so every minute spent is focused on speed to results by moving an existing opportunity forward and understanding how the process will apply with future opportunities. Our workshop leaders are not just professional facilitators, they are tenured sales leaders. They have a track record of success as a sales professional, so they know what it's like to effectively apply the workshop concepts in the real world. They bring industry and practitioner expertise that will help your team make important connections between concepts and their selling environment through a tailored approach. Your team will walk out of the workshop having thought about opportunities more strategically and having a valid action plan to take what they've learned and use it in front of customers. The experience your team will go through is a working session that will enable them to immediately put learning into action and achieve results. We help salespeople transition to a consultative approach that's focused on the customer rather than a product-led approach. We recognize there are best practices happening every day in your organization, and we want to amplify what's working for you and scale it across your organization. We are able to change behaviors because the performance results are quickly realized and enduring in their value to your organization. Salespeople will adopt what works to help them be more successful. Our mission is to assist clients in growing profitable sales. We support this mission through our pursuit of being the most credible and recognized resource for sales performance and effectiveness expertise. One of the ways we do this is by providing a lens for sales leaders to view their organization. The Miller Heiman Sales System helps sales leaders organize their thoughts around sales performance. It is unique in its simplicity, but unrivaled in its ability to support sales leaders in accomplishing the results their organizations demand. At the heart, it's all about what customers need. Your whole strategy has to be based around this understanding of your customers. Once you're part of Miller Heiman, we stay connected for life. Being an alumni has its benefits. We're committed to your success today and far into the future. We know from our clients that they trust us to provide innovative ideas, perspective, and critical thinking about what's going on in the world of selling to help them continue on their journey toward world-class sales performance. We provide our perspective in a number of different ways. Through annual sales performance summits conducted in locations around the world where executives join us to exchange ideas and best practices, through our sales best practices study that's been conducted annually for more than a decade, and through our management tools, newsletters, and social media outlets. Our purpose is to help elevate the role, status, and strategic importance of the sales profession.